Before we begin to understand the system, in order to avoid confusion, we must inform you that as per the guidelines, the entire documentation except the video has been done about the software up till 31st March 2020. However, since this video is being shot in the month of August, it would display updated data of the software. As a part of its increased focus on e-governance, District Bulandshahr has come up with an innovative intervention of letter tracking web-based software which enables monitoring of all the important letters that require prompt action. As soon as we log into the system, we have two major components. The first one is that of feeding, and the second one relates to tracking and reporting. Whenever a letter is marked as important, we open the feeding section from the dashboard. Under this head, we fill all the details ranging from the date of letter to the date of dispatch of letter, rank and name of the officer, letter number, subject of the letter, and the time assigned for its disposal. If the information is received that the letter is disposed of and the action is taken within the specified time, we again go to the feeding section. Under the second head, against that particular letter, we tick mark in this checkbox and the letter stands disposed of. And for all those letters which are not disposed of within the specified time or the action is not taken, a report is generated which the district magistrate reviews every Saturday. In the report section, a list is generated which shows the defaulting officers and the number of pending letters in their name. Similarly, a list is also generated whereby the district magistrate can review the letter that is pending in their name. For instance, this drop-down menu helps us select the officer we need to look at and the letters that are pending in his name. Indeed, this software has a very wide coverage, from monitoring law and order to developmental activities and the review of revenue-related work. It is acting as a transformational tool for the district. The law and order can be effectively monitored by reviewing the letters pending in the name of police officials from time to time. Similarly, developmental related activities can be reviewed by checking the letters pending in the name of officials linked with development. DDO, for instance, has one letter pending in his name dated 29th July 2020. Similarly, the revenue-related work can be monitored by reviewing the letters pending in the name of ADMFR. The home page gives us a summary report about the total number of officers to whom the letters have been sent. This system has proved to be very effective for the district and has helped us revamp the monitoring, ensuring speeding up of processes and bringing about perceptible impact in governance.